Fabulous, and today I am going to be trying Phorm Opti Greens 50 with you guys on camera. So I literally just got this in the mail just like a couple days ago and I've been dying to try it, but I wanted to try it with you guys on camera, so I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm gonna be trying it with you guys on camera so you guys can kind of see my reaction, see if I like it or not, and yeah, kind of check it out. So this is what it looks like. It is natural berry flavor, so I'm kind of interested to try that. When I purchased this, I actually purchased two other things with Phorm as well because it did say that it was the foundational product. So all three, I guess, all go together and basically is what everybody should be taking. The micro factor, like multivitamins, and again, I haven't opened this up yet, so I'm just gonna open it with you guys on camera, as well as like the omega-3. So that's kind of like what today's video is all about. If you guys don't know me, my name is Lindsay, and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys do like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, ding, and that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So if you guys are ready to get into the taste test, then I think we should just get started. If we take a look at the bottle, so this actually just says Opti Greens 50. It is natural berry flavor. It says low temperature processed ingredients, which is good. No synthetic colors, flavors, sweeteners, or preservatives. 100% non-GMO. Now the supplement facts, it says 2 scoops is basically a serving. Calories is 28 calories, 5 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 1 gram of fiber, 2 grams of protein, and then it's got all of these blends in it, which is pretty cool. So it's got a green superfood complex, a glycemic balance blend, a phytonutrient complex, a plant enzyme blend, and a probiotic blend. It says suggested use, add 2 scoops to 8 ounces of cold water or juice and mix well. For best results, drink immediately after mixing and have 1 or more servings a day. The serving size is 2 scoops, which is 10 grams. So basically, how many grams do we have in here? So it's 300 grams, so basically 10 grams each. So there's gonna be 30 servings in here. I'm gonna open it with you guys on camera. You know, I'm classy like that. Smells pretty good. It smells like greens with a bit of berry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. Definitely looks like some greens. I was gonna read this on the back. So it says Opti Greens 50. It's formulated gluten-free greens powder that is packed with 50 hand-chosen ingredients. And 100% of the greens ingredients are all grown and manufactured in the US. Let's give this bad boy a shot. So I got my glass. I'm actually gonna go get a measuring cup so I can measure exactly like how much water we need. It says 8 ounces, right? Let's take a look at it. So it says 8 ounces, which is a cup. So let's go get a cup of cold water. I wonder if I should put the water in first. So I have 2 scoops to water. Okay, so let's put the water in. Got the water. I'm gonna find the scoop. I'm getting it all over me. This is what it looks like, you guys. Just looks like greens. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 scoops. So I got 1 scoop, as you can see how big it is. And 2 scoops. I am interested to see how well it mixes without a blender or a shaker cup. And I feel like it's actually mixing really well. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's not really any floaties on the top. There's pretty much no floaties. It smells like greens, 100%. Guys, it mixes really, really well. So for the taste test, what flavor is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be natural berry flavor. Okay. It's actually pretty good. It is really, really smooth. Wow, I'm impressed. It doesn't have a huge natural berry flavor. It's not a huge natural berry flavor. It's almost like a hint of like berry. That's pretty much it. Now, it tastes like greens, but it doesn't have like a really crazy greens taste, if that makes sense. I can't believe how smooth it is. I'm pretty impressed. Like, it's not sweet at all, but Like I said, it definitely tastes like greens, but it doesn't have like a crazy greens taste. Like, and it's not gritty, it's smooth. It's pretty good. I'd be interested to know what you guys think of it. I just can't believe how smooth it is. It literally is so smooth. Like, it's not gritty, like in the least bit. It's crazy. And it's not like an overpowering like greens flavor or anything. It just like, there's like a hint of green and a hint of like berry, and that's kind of it. It's pretty good. I'm impressed. It's really good. Really, really good. Now, if you guys are interested in trying this, I'm actually gonna put a link down below so you guys can definitely check this out as well. Or if you guys have any questions at all, like let me know in the comments section down below. So let's open up the vitamin pack as well. So this is the microfactor. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's open it up. So we have the microfactor. You guys can see that there. Let's open it up. So you get all these like little packages in here. Oh. They all fell out. Assuming this is just one package, what you see here. What do you have? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 things in like one package. It says in each package, we got 1 capsule that's the antioxidant blend. We have 3 of the multivitamin. We have the 1 of the CoQ10, 1 of the fruit and veggies, 1 of the probiotic, and 1 of the EFA. And I really like that they're capsules because capsules actually absorb so much better. I mean, I've had like multivitamins before, you know, it's like the hard pressed like multivitamins, and they're just so nasty to swallow, and I just feel like they just don't even absorb like in my body. When I go to buy basically like any sort of multivitamin, I always tend to go for like the capsules because I know like the capsule's gonna break down and then my body's actually gonna absorb what's in the capsule. And yeah, so basically this is like a 30-day supply as well. So you just take this. Now it doesn't say like specific for women or specific for men. I'm pretty sure it's just like a multivitamin. I think there's like the little, oh look, it opens up. That's kind of cute. Just kind of cool. So you just basically like stick it in your cupboard and then you can just like grab one and go, which is perfect. So yeah, so that is the microfactor. Okay, let's check out the last one. So the last thing is the full omega. So this is basically like omega-3. Now omega-3 is so important. It's like honestly like important for everybody. Now I'm not like a doctor or like a nurse or any kind of like health profession, you know what I mean? So obviously I can't give you like nutritional like advice. Obviously if you guys are gonna start something new, you definitely want to talk to your doctor or just like a health advisor or a health professional about any of that kind of stuff. I know omega-3 is really, really good for you. So there's like omega-3 and omega-6. Now a lot of us, especially like in our diets these days, get a lot of omega-6. And so you have omega-6, which is basically creates inflammation in your body. And omega-3 actually like reduces the inflammation in your body. Now obviously there's like a balancing act, and of course like we do need both. But with like our diets these days, like the modern like American diet, we end up consuming too much omega-6. So that's why a lot of us like have too much inflammation in our body, which I mean, most of us probably don't even know that, but that is actually happening. There's like too much omega-6 basically happening with like the process, with like the foods and stuff that we're eating, right? We're just consuming too much omega-6. So when you offset it with like the omega-3, you're basically kind of like balancing that out and you're actually reducing the inflammation. So if we read on the outside here, it says reduce inflammation, obviously because it's like omega-3. It's gonna promote heart health and moderate cholesterol levels. For directions, it says take 2 soft gels daily with a meal. It says the omega-3 essential fatty acids are also known as brain food, since they have been shown to improve cognitive functions, treat symptoms of ADHD, and combat symptoms of depression. It says help boost your body's natural anti-inflammatory response and improve your overall health by supplementing daily with full omega. So that is the full omega by Phorm. So yeah, so those are the 3 kind of like main products that I got from the Phorm website. So they do suggest, like I said, you take 1 package of the microfactor, which is like obviously all your vitamins and stuff. Take 1 of those a day. You take like 2 scoops of this a day, and then you take like 1 serving of this a day. I'm gonna be starting tomorrow, so maybe I'll do like a 30-day kind of like update and kind of like let you guys know how I'm feeling, whether I like it. I mean, sometimes if I take too many capsules all at one time, maybe I feel sick, but I don't know. I can't tell you right now because I haven't tried it yet. All I've tried is the Opti Greens, and all I can say is like I'm actually thoroughly impressed with like how good this product is so far. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I can't wait to talk with you later. All right, love you.